Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's new video for example of e-commerce pop-up shops. I hope you enjoyed reading this blog post. If you went to team and just you can making your click here. For example, e-commerce pop-up stores. Pop-up store is fantastic opening for brand of both big and small to continue customer and drive sales. Medium customers are encouraged looking for novel experience of and top pop-up shop both physical and visitor based. Not only drop pop-up in shops offer more experience, but these also create experimented about brand of their list will offer pop-up store and going where you are going online retail looking to breed physical content with your customer and physical retail looking of test and online purchase simply looking to create some explained it around it your brand pop-up short and perfect solution. What are pop-up shop are limited and time only retailer store is the game suggested the pop-up and displayed it after a short time and approve some and so successful this become physical. We will treat and things of pop-up shop is physical store. Particular pop-up shop are resting property both optionals allow brand or reach targeted audience with especially product and created and improves shopping experience that your harder attended traditional stores. Physical pop-up shop physical shop and can take from a internal store friend of pop-up vibrant great store with excellent store if you are going mobile by rating truck. See my attention you can devise most amount of traffic to your website. SEO unlock his fees amount of SEO traffic see related result. Content marketing our team created epic content that will get sheet and links and attention traffic. Paid media effect show and create role book and call. Physical pop-up shop in our ideas e-commerce brand explained with physical store without fully committed promote local pop-up shop and short times and community with lost and bread for physical heavy and folks offering unique experience. For example, people of e-commerce brand make creative physical pop-up shop in October to December. Attend holiday shoppers. Visitor pop-up shop. Visitor pop-up shop make and not be as well and physical content passed by great optimization method and template store can take up to website. Our hosted social media using live streaming, tutorial back and other business particular pop-up shop tech and first step e-commerce. This is also useful exchange e-commerce store. We are your main and website something in cost all accounted lost different people with wide range in product. Particular pop-up shop can be more forces. This force allow April particular audience more selected range product explain choosing store with form shading line make host visitor pop-up in forked lighting hardware. For example of e-commerce pop-up shop Pop-up shop and ideas for forward thinking brand but needed creativity and a solid excellent plans and read the benefit here are few excellent e-commerce driver delivered glossar glossar or successful beauty brand can track and successful back amazing content create the brand website called into gloss we the Fox and employs customer becomes an expert and share product the love gloss continue read and the follower create product days and customer went to see this Fox and generation and misuse follower around it word helped grow gloss into 1.2 millions brand gloss 2019 London in pop-up convert grade and perfect explained how to successful pop-up shop in creating glosses turn into payment fixed in just 2.5 months. This store welcomed our shopper and show and just effect physical code most online brand graphic and make most exchange product visual hours great marketing and terms break something training in the expert that's war separated of pop-up stores profit and bread needed interaction but your most customers do have connected with brand left contact and sidebar shippers send amazing physical pop-up store and engaged the deep connection with social media. Yes, the store allows trap and force in the specially range product showing trace and create craft improvement offer impossible expand rate just by an online people we available get hard experience modern setting we come and create social media buzz and think better than and ranging around it picking others your old toys with Prague shop Target and create pop-up shop in New York. Traction and e-commerce brand break shop open our template physical space we owner code dog ham infect these forest toys future technology help owner understanding which toys dog and particular pop-up just seem like and no branded to award complete the pop-up shop we available opening and online pack and 13 to theirs and their dog and days out the big advance there and e-commerce branded create physical connection ideas the pop-up shop and make not lost and long monitor and bring with your pop-up bake shop popper list and forward deep deep is fashion marketplace community they pick target buy and selling around it word with force making fashion our drives and last western platform has reached our 13 million users the best page create a strong community and medical uh, Zen as Z audience well top and very much online platform that's puppet with having great successful with pop-up shop and drop live and this platform drop a community and people targeted with discounts such in can fashion change word, build and proof your bid and pop-up allow drip and feature connected with audience brand loyalty and transaction into more sales. Amazon may not be brand and sync. We come pop-up shop into unique and code called click and motors ideas. Great name and create was designation to give individual sales of test what is what and like open physical store. Working in conjunction with our partner e-commerce giants offering up to 10 pop-up stores in Target UK along select connected with customer physical franchises for amazing pop-up shop branded content sales maybe more improvement show community support local business. These pop-up make about selling and more about RP but they affect less. How to select it pop-up shop? The first step towards creating pop-up shop can quickly transaction because in our business stepping out this uncomfortable zone. Many experts like business decision starting with reach and planning if you establish brand and data use rounded round type pop-up open ways open product force for example make and choosing bring pop-up line and large audience local in New York London a small local make choosing online partner with biggest brands we comes and tracking step drop pop-up shop and make source online goes here's consideration create positive connected your customer and big branded online transaction use real humans customer service education customers connected this brand create urgency and the limit time and attract powerful and create hog test out market and physical store visible option take advanced pick in sales such holidays test run and product line and drive explain how to run and present a pop-up the key and personal pop-up shop in finding the right location these few different options such as a space of shopping mall main street sorted mobile shop a shop with shop every space final decision and short in fact ideas the product your sales and images property for example gross brand in New York but this enhances audience in the UK so London was option if you strong e-commerce store you have go trends analyze and help major destination so make the most it we detected location and resource store line and pop-up fund and space these can out exchange explain how to return pop-up view PS are here about creating buzz and hosting agreement driver and sales possible online particular pop-up shop exchange waste bricks and mortar business to dip the loss online retailer also good optional exchange e-commerce brand just create something in the case engine audience so and standard your create website physical store and love like subscribe press the bell icon for latest mission update thanks for watching